Guys, welcome to Clowill Tarot. My name is Marie. I'm going to be doing your reading for this evening. Reading's not going to resonate with everyone. If it does resonate with you, please like, share, and subscribe. Exactly 8 p.m. Wednesday, June 24th. If it don't resonate with you, don't try to make it fit. Entertainment purposes only. If you hear Dr. Lawyer, Financial Planner, 911-211-411, use your discernment. Don't take it as legal or medical advice. Sorry about that. Now let's continue with that. Ooh, thank you. Okay. No, we can't cover up. No, we don't cover up the cross. No. Okay. So, I was coming to the table. I actually used these cards for Libra last night. So, I was collecting. And as you see, these wasn't out here. I know some of y'all watch Libra read. Okay. The Sage was on the table. The Hangman hit the floor in reverse. Exposure and game over. Now I put this back upright. Guilt and remorse. Birds of a feather. We're going to get to that. Birds of a feather and ally and confidant. It's been a step-by-step day today. And I hope everybody else had a good day. Persevere and you will overcome the problems, but it was in reverse. Somebody can't overcome the problem because it's game over. My device kept taking me to a specific client. And I mean, I could be nowhere near there. And that name just kept popping in. October 23rd. Now, as we already established, there are some Libras up in here. I told y'all I don't do signs. So when I logged it into my assistant, it said, that's a Libra cusp. So, birds of a feather flock together. Somebody could try to play a friend, an ally, a confidant. Somebody is now in regret. Then these two death cards in this deck, I was going to use this deck. So I picked the deck up and there was the death card. And then the death card again. Oh. Knight of Swords. Could be because of some reckless behavior. Somebody about to get caught. I guess we're using the biblical tarot for y'all in here today too. So yeah, October 23rd. A Leo could be relevant since we got birds of a feather. Somebody hot spot got them caught and they feel like they caught in the middle of a hot spot. So, as I was clearing the space to get ready to do this, the Sage blew, oh yeah, y'all can see that, on this deck. And Spirit kept guiding me to look. And when I pulled it, it was the Axe. Forces working against you. And they could have started it since last February. Whoever I'm talking to. Yeah. Because that February was upside down. So, I'm looking at desk. Pay attention to your work. So, somebody's messing with your work. Something. Oh, I guess somebody about to get their flowers now. Or somebody in that group is using compliments as an admirer. Now, I was going to get everything cleaned up. I washed my stuff over before I bring them to the table. started hearing say, say, say what you want. And I was like, wait a minute. That's Michael Jackson. And for the life of me, I could not remember that man's name that sang it with him. It was Paul McCartney. Please, top down. Yeah. More like pimp down. Game over. Sorry about that. I was just told to pull it up. So I was pulling it up. Say, say, say what you want. But don't play games with my affection. Take what you need. But don't leave me with no direction. So Paul could be relevant for somebody. Somebody's going wherever they want because it says now go, go, go where you want. You could have told somebody to leave, deuce it, please don't come around no more. Something like that? Yeah, But game is over. And October 23rd is absolutely relevant for somebody. So, at this point, now we're just going to get in to this read. Yes, indeed. Thank you, Father. Let's see where we're going to start at. We're going to start with that. Oh, yeah. Blank slate. Y'all know that's my one lonely card that says blank slate. Oh, they said put it back that way. So let's do that. And those are going to stay like that. Yes, indeed. I've already worked out the title for this one. Oh, shit. Ally. Mike could be relevant for somebody. Michael could be relevant for somebody. Somebody could have the last name Jackson. Somebody could be LGBTQIA. Shout out, not judging. Just saying. But there's a bunch of people in regret. So it looks like we're going to be using these same decks. And those. Fire sign could be relevant for somebody. Leo. Oh, somebody's binding. Guilt, remorse, regret. Because somebody is worried about exposure. The big reveal. Didn't I do one a couple of days ago that said something about a reveal party? Sure did. Exposure, bear, and reveal. Somebody is absolutely, birds of a feather. In regret. Could be because they're getting kickback. And then, we already established these two death cards. Whoops. Oh. That's Nine of Pentacles. That's Two of Wands. That's Two of Wands. And that was meant to leave you all alone. But instead, it got balanced out, and two females are relevant. Older and younger. Take it how it resonate for you, child. But yes, indeed. The game is over. Grover. Whoever I'm talking to is because you rise above the rest. And somebody can't handle it. And they know they're about to get busted. Because that Hermit. Side A, side... Oh, I just heard double-edged sword. We're going to use that one. Side A, side B. They wanted you all alone. That Hermit. And that Nine of Pentacles. They wanted you all by your lonely lonesome. But somebody ain't realized what they was doing was bringing exposure to themselves. Jeez, it's so many on here. I just don't really know where to start. Let's start there. Say what you want. And I absolutely know I'm missing cards from this deck. I think this was an accidental pull from last night. Somebody needed at least one more year. I don't know what that's about. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. But somebody needed one more year. The end of a love, end of an admiration, end of a relationship. Because something is about to rise to the highest plateau. Well, don't know what to say about that for y'all. Oh, because you've been in service. And whoever this friend or ally. Okay, I don't know what that's about. Ally. Oh, somebody tried to be somebody alibi. She your ass going to jail. Something about a computer. Again with service. HP service. Geek Squad. Because that's what I just heard. Geek Squad. Y'all hear them birds? What else, please? Because somebody was in their pride. They had to get it all done. They had to get it right. Yeah, excuse me. Confirmation. So they got together and I cannot. Thank you. Yeah, you see how that camera went dark? Not light, dark. Somebody absolutely thought they was being of service. Them birds. This friend could have helped with a binding ritual. Yeah. Remember when I said that hangman was upright? That card says acceptance. I am learning to accept the things that I cannot change. Somebody cannot change the fact that, yeah, they was working there. To cause a lot. Christine could be relevant for somebody. They was in their pride. We got a Trisha here. I said HP. There go data breach. Right there. Josie. Imagination, please. What's imagination? Oh, there were a bunch of people doing something in excess. Too fucking much. Too much playing. Game over. Somebody was making you the scapegoat. I said, getting together to go against you. Balance. Angel, spirit, saints, and guides. Can I have balance, please? Because you rise above the rest. The same cards y'all see me shuffling. These people did something fucking in excess. Somebody could drive a white... Ooh, somebody does drive a white SUV. Uh-huh. Yeah, I feel good when I can help others. Whoever helped in this group, they was feeling good when they was doing it. Ha ha ha, child. Mm-hmm. Somebody realized they got no choice. They about to be exposed. Somebody is incredible. Game over. You know why game over? Because your light team is not having it. Y'all remember when I told y'all I saw the 3 people up in the clouds? What is that? The 3 men up in the clouds? Okay, I don't think they could block that. Yeah, some sort of a leader. And I don't know who I'm talking to, but you was meant to lead. Cancer could be relevant for somebody. Y'all see everything in my hands and how they flowing. But a cancer is relevant for somebody. Yeah, somebody love bombing. That's you, collective. I ain't talking to the trolls. Y'all can watch, but yeah. Mm-hmm. Data breach, please. Angel, spirit, saints, and guides. Somebody was messing with somebody's system to make them the scapegoat. They were sitting there gossiping about how they can do this and how they can do that. And, ooh, let's do this. Ooh, no, why don't we try that? Angel, spirit, saints, and guides. Data breach and scapegoat, please. That says robbery, burglary, embezzlement, larceny. Somebody witchy sister. And those two fell out together. Feminine, abundance, because you rise above the rest. Y'all know I can't put that one up there. Somebody tried to steal from someone of this nature because you rise above the rest. Woo! Indeed, my edge is starting. Somebody got a witchy sister, cousin, friend. Yeah, girl, I could go ahead and... You are bonded. Thank you, Father. Ugly spell, beauty spell, what's the matter? The ugly going right back onto them and they see it? It's going right back onto them and they see it? Louisa could be relevant for somebody. That could be you. That could be Louis. Take it how it resonate, male or female, but that's a Louisa. There's somebody part of this group that's regretting. Oh, shit. Oh, money. Somebody, I guess somebody accepting that they're going to have to pay up. They want this other side, y'all. Give me a sec. Oh. Game over for a business, and Christine could be part of a business. What else, please? Game over for a business. It is game over. Whatever this case was, somebody tried to make... If you got a court case going, somebody tried to make it game over for you. But your light team stepped in. Your spirit guides told you which path to walk. Thank you. Scapegoat. I cannot. That scapegoat. You was supposed to be the pawn. Thank you, Spirit. I know y'all see that. They intentionally made sure that that camera was focused for whoever's watching to see. Making you the scapegoat, and you was supposed to be the pawn. And I know I said this in Libra reading. David, somebody praying now? Didn't I already say because they're getting a backfire? Somebody in that group believing you now. Because that table has turned. Somebody trying to buy your shut up. That is a shut up spell. Tapa woka. They want you to shut up. There's a male judge. Witchy sister, please. And because you rise. Witchy sister, please. And because you rise for Taurus. Whoever's got it in the upright. Witchy sister. And please bear in mind, for somebody, this could actually be your sister, the ugly fucking duckling. I'm sorry, I'm not polite when they rude like this. Told y'all, that's why I won't come up here, because I know I got that clap back. They use the witchy sister, the friend, to either spell somebody's devices. Yep, to get into somebody's devices to try and prove a point. Your ass caught, dumbass. Oh, let's see what that is. Your ass is caught, dumbass. Ooh, yeah, that's what they thought. Somebody, they thought you was the gum stuck to the bottom of their shoe and that they could go ahead and bind you. And they needed to stick it to you because you rose above the rest. Yes. Louisa, please. Angel Spirit Saints and guys. Louisa, please. Spilled milk, I just saw. Target. So somebody named Louisa, they could have been the target. Antique money, please. Somebody needs you all focus. They was focusing on you, whoever I'm talking to. Okay, I just saw a white car. What I said? They was sitting there, ha 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 ha. Court case. Oh. 1, it's a chick. 2, you owe that debt. So the debt was not yours. And when the debt is not yours, you know what happens. Somebody moody as shit now. And something about bank transactions is relevant. They can find 1. Bank transactions is relevant. Somebody sold you out for $1,000. I feel like it's a little more than that. But somebody sold you out for $1,000. But $1,000 is relevant. That could have been the first 1,000. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. They seem moody because they think you know what they have done. Guess so. Something that they swap, they switch. You don't necessarily have to be a wife. Doesn't necessarily have to be a mate. But it could be, because we got that LGBTQIA card out here somewhere. That one. I hope y'all saw that. That hex is broken. And it flew right on top of balance. And that divination table. And the witchy sister. Because you classy as hell. And they in regret. And they in regret. Because if you going through obstacles now, they about to be gone. Somebody could be strolling around your joint. What that say? Ancestors and bullseye. Your ancestors done bullseye their ass. Ooh. Okay. Now we know that's because I hit the table. But let's see what they split it to. Somebody already knew what was going on with some sort of contract, some sort of proof. Spirit do what Spirit do. 9 of Pentacles here and 9 of Pentacles over there. And 6 of Swords. You moving forward. And balance is right under that. That friendship. Child, you about to be blessed. Man, that 6 of Swords is right there and right there. You about to be deuces. Later, dude. Somebody, they didn't want you to see how to move forward. Old girl sword is up. Somebody is telling some real shit. And somebody was obsessed. And now they can have that fucking obsession back. 6 of Pentacles. Whatever they tried to sneak, creep, and steal, somebody's seeing exactly what they're doing. And there's a bunch of birds that shook. Shook that they're about to get took. Well, I guess they shouldn't have been doing that, huh? Stop dancing with the devil. Yeah, somebody is about to see you in the spotlight. Hope that reveal party... Oh, wait, it's not. Oh, I was about to say, I hope that reveal party goes off well, but no, it's not. It's not. Taurus, you about to get a blessing after that black mat. Yeah, they trying to transfer that shit. Okay, we got 2. Black magic, the devil, somebody's gift. I don't care. Somebody tried to transfer what God had for you. The devil with black magic. Them ugly spells, them beauty spells. What God had for you. Them ugly spells, them beauty spells. Yeah, and it's a nasty fucking man in there too. And what did I just say about LGBTQIA? Somebody trying to play victim or they in sorrow now. Because nothing that they throw at you is working. And they know it. And back to that Cancer. And I think that's a different deck. So that Cancer is relevant for somebody. There's somebody in the LGBTQIA. The devil and the devil again. Boy, there's definitely a Libra up in here. Because that was Libra reading last night. Not this is X spread. I didn't even use those cards last night. Those did not come out last night. Old jokes, old patterns. For somebody old court cases, they tried to put a debt on you that they owe. They tried to put a debt on you that they owe. A fucking energy vampire. And now they is miserable as hell. Because that wheel of fortune is turning. And people seeing who the real trash box is. Oh, and what they invested in. Ooh, I love that. Whoa, 6 of Wands again. Somebody getting their recognition the right way. And somebody is pissed as hell because they had to win at all costs. Now these birds in regret because they about to get caught up. Because when I tell y'all, Spirit kept popping a particular name. It was like it just kept pushing through. Didn't matter what I was on, it just kept pushing through. That same client. Angel, Spirit, Saints, and Guides, please. No, okay. P, first, middle, first, middle, or last. Oh, somebody was trying to do their homework. PR, somebody Puerto Rican. Oh, wait, Luis on the end. P, first, middle, or last. R, first, middle, or last. J, first, middle, or last. That could be a junior. A, first, middle, or last. Oh, look. What does that spell? Jar. Yeah. Lord have mercy. Paz, because they want peace. Somebody Spanish. There's too much Spanish stuff coming up out of here. Why am I hearing subpar? They could have tried to say you were subpar. Or this witchy sister thought your protection, your spirit team was subpar, and now they finding out. No, it's not. It is buenísimo. Yeah. Somebody can't sleep. Jazz. Somebody likes jazz. I can't remember that lady's name. She played on Cheers. Cheers or Frasier, one of those. And she played in that like jazz. And a black suit. Hang on.
Absolute powerhouse dancer.
Hang on.
She starred as Velma. That is the brilliant Bebe Neuwirth. On Cheers, and later Frasier, she famously played the icy, stone-faced, and hilariously sharp Dr. Lilith Sternin. But on Broadway, she is an absolute powerhouse dancer and singer. She starred as Velma Kelly in the smash hit revival of the musical Chicago, and she is the one who completely stops the show, leading the iconic opening number, All That Jazz.
Okay, Tony could be relevant for somebody. Oh, all that acting? Somebody getting an award? BB could be relevant for somebody. Love that little assistant. Just can't. Right up top. Huh. D. HD. Somebody's absolutely trying to put some shit to rest because they are scared that they are about to get caught. Oh, one is not scared. Y'all hear that bird? One is not scared because one thinks they can't get caught. Because they done pushed everybody else in front. To take that heat. Let me light my sage. Back. Y'all, this one going up tonight because I did the other one this morning. And then I'm in such a good mood now. I might do a couple more tonight. Sure will. I found this nice new sage joint. Place where I can get my sage bunches. And didn't do my specials on them. Those is just for my house though. Okay, this truth deck keeps screaming at me too. Ready for this tongue twister? Pick a word. Have you ever lied on the first date? Somebody sure did. This is another set I ain't used in a minute. I might use it. That one just want to pop out. So something about a first date or the first date that it was scheduled or... Yeah, something about a schedule. Because they show me a calendar. Oh, that Six of Wands is just... I know I did one where I said something about a chart. On those handwritten cards, you were being rated. Somebody's smelling the bullshit now. So for whoever I'm talking to, whoever was supposed to be the friend coming in like they're an admirer, it was bullshit. These birds, they're about to get hung. Anything else, please? Angel, spirits, saints, and guides. Anything else? Somebody could have a bad odor right now because they keep taking me to his armpit. And I mean the scent of his armpit. So somebody could have a really bad odor right now. That's that spell backfiring because that's what you were supposed to smell like. What I said about telephone, first encounters, a scheduled date. Truth. Would you rather get to meet one of your ancient ancestors or go on a date with your celebrity crush? So somebody is in the spotlight. Somebody, the group of hoes. I ain't calling them birds. I'm calling them hoes. Okay? Came in like they was such an admirer. I love you, Spirit. Nobody empties me, but I never stay full for long. What am I? Answer: the moon. Fear. These hoes is nervous. Because whatever they did wasn't fucking legal and it's traceable. 2. A secret. I have no legs. I will never walk, but always run. What am I? Answer: river. Yeah, river information is just a flowing. Uh-huh. Why are teddy bears never hungry? Answer: because they are always stuffed. And in these hoes cases, full of bullshit. And that's what they tried to say about you. And that's what somebody tried to make sure it appeared like. That reflection, that ugly spell, beauty spell, they were supposed to look like the beautiful on the inside. You were supposed to be the one look like the ugly one. Somebody got had. Because they was preaching all that jazz. See what you want. October 7th is relevant for somebody. 10/7. $1992. I love this one. I love it. I love it. And I love it some more. Thank you to those who's liked, shared, subscribed. Come on, y'all. I'm back. Can I get some hypes? And some thumbs up. Y'all know all that help the algorithm grow, you know? Helps the channel grow. And I appreciate the ones that do watch them commercials. Because somebody had to be watching them. Or doing like my old lady used to do and watch him and go wash the dishes. Hell, like I used to do. I told her, stop donating. I even refunded. I appreciate it. That helps. That helps with my supplies. That helps with a couple of other things. That helps. So I appreciate y'all. And we gonna do... Okay. Kind of late in the game, but we don't ask questions. Follow your own good advice, but I want to close up. Do they do what they do? Graveyard. They scared. Because of the web that they weaved. Community and web weaving. Because they wanted mischief and play. And somebody, so do your ancestors. Good job, Spirit. Thank you. Ooh. Life is brief. That death card, somebody could be passing from all them damn spells. B. Somebody drinking too. What else? Yes, I know it's split, but that's how they want it done. Somebody was holding on to something way too tight. And these people, these bum bitches, these bum I don't care if they male or female. These bum bitches, they getting more curious about you and more curious about you. Every time they try to make you a target, they get in trouble and they still more curious about you. So, on that note, okay, they don't want that one. Sorry, y'all, I can't give y'all the name because I ain't got the box. And now I remember who sent these. Wait, let me see. Nope, name not on the card. Sorry. Can I have one, please, for Taurus? So whoever's got it upright. Upright, please. A new day. It's about to be a new day. I'm out. Stay blessed.